In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google My Business on Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account and location. This is important because Google Business connections are managed inside the specific location settings. So if you're in the wrong workspace, you may not see the option you need, or you could end up connecting the wrong business profile. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation menu is located, and it's where you'll find the settings area for your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this sidebar if you're new to the platform, because many important tools and integrations are accessed from here. From that left-hand menu, click on Settings. This will open the section where you can manage key business options, account preferences, and connected services. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Layouts can vary a little depending on updates, but the general process stays the same. After you enter settings, go back to the left-hand side and click on integrations. This is the area where Gohighlevel lets you connect third-party services, including Google. If you're trying to link your Google business profile so you can sync features and manage related activity more easily, this is the exact place you need to be. Now look for the Google integration option. You may need to scan the list of available integrations, so just take your time and find the one labeled for Google. Once you see it, click on Connect. At this point, Gohighlevel will begin the process of linking your Google account. Follow the prompts on screen to connect your Google business account. Be sure to sign in with the Google account that actually manages your business profile. That detail matters because if you use a different Google login, your business listing may not appear during the connection process. As you go through the connection steps, review the permissions carefully and allow the access required for the integration to work properly. These permissions help Gohighlevel communicate with your Google business profile and complete the setup successfully. Once the connection is complete, your Google business account should now be accessible through Gohighlevel. If it doesn't connect right away, double check that you use the correct Google account and that your business profile is active and properly managed under that login, and that's it. That's how to access Google My Business on Gohighlevel quickly and correctly.